everybody, I'm Mrs. Blue bringing pre-K to you.
And I'm Veronica. How do you do?
For this activity, you'll need 2 pieces of paper and some markers or crayons. This week, we've been talking all about community helpers. Do you remember what a community helper is?
A community helper is someone that helps our neighborhood.
Awesome! A community helper is someone in our community that helps out. Awesome work! So, let's take a walk and see which community helpers we will be learning about today. Will you walk with us? Awesome! Stand up, let's get moving. Ready? We're walking around the town. We're walking up and down. We're walking. Who have we found?
We found a garbage collector and a construction worker.
Awesome! A garbage collector and a construction worker. We're going to be learning all about what these 2 people do in our community. But first, let's learn our vocabulary words for today. Our new vocabulary words for today: garbage. Do you know what garbage is? Right, garbage is trash or waste. Our next vocabulary word is construction. What is construction? Can you tell us, Veronica?
Building something.
Right, construction is building something. And our last vocabulary word is
Vehicles.
vehicles. Do you know what a vehicle is? Have you ever rode in a vehicle?
I have.
I'm sure you have. A vehicle is a thing to use to move people and objects, like your car or your truck or van. A vehicle. So, let's think, where have we seen these community helpers within our community? Where have we seen a garbage collector or a construction worker? Do you want to ask Gilbert to see where he's seen them?
Yes.
Okay, let's call Gilbert. Ready?
Gilbert.
Hello, everybody.
We got a question for you.
Okay, I love questions.
Where do we find these people?
We could find garbage collectors right in front of your house. Have you ever seen a garbage collector pick up your trash?
Yeah.
You have? Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
So you could see garbage collectors all around your community. You could also find them at the dump. Well, where do we find construction workers, Gilbert? You can find construction workers working around your community, whether they're working on your roads or a new building. Awesome! Thank you, Gilbert. You're welcome. Bye, Veronica.
Bye, Gilbert.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Gilbert. Have you seen a garbage collector in your community? What about a construction worker? Awesome! So we know where to find them, but what do they do? What do they do? Let's ask Mary. Everyone help us call Mary. Mary! Hello, everybody. Hi, Veronica.
Hi.
Do you have a question?
We got a question. So, what do these people do?
These people help everybody out. The garbage collector picks up all of our trash so that we don't have to live in it. Could you imagine if nobody picked up your trash? How would your house look?
Dirty.
It would be very dirty. They're so kind. And the construction workers, they build things for us. So a construction worker has built your stores, your house, any road that you have driven on. Could you imagine if a construction worker didn't build our roads? That would be a bumpy ride. Yes, it would. It would be very, very bumpy. So don't forget to thank them. Bye, Veronica.
Bye, Mary.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Mary. So Mary these two people, our lives could be very dirty, right? And unclean, and that could lead to more sicknesses. And without construction workers, we wouldn't have any stores to shop at or houses to live in. They help us out a lot. So we know where to find them and what they do, but how do they do it?
Let's ask Marie.
You want to ask Marie? Okay, get ready. Marie likes to be very loud sometimes. Let's call Marie. Marie! Hello, everybody! I told you. Hi, everybody. Hi, Veronica.
Hi, we got a question for you.
Oh, boy, I love questions.
How do these people do their jobs?
Well, these guys do their jobs just like how the other community workers do their jobs. Do you remember?
I do. They use
tools! They use tools. They use lots and lots of different tools. So a garbage collector uses his or her trash truck as their tool, their vehicle. Like this. Wow. That's a nice garbage truck you've got, Marie. Isn't it lovely? Do you want to help us count the trash? Let's count in Spanish first. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Oops. Uh-oh. Cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve. Wow! And once they have it in their trash truck, they go and dump it out like this. Ugh. Awesome work, guys! Wow, thank you, Marie, for showing us all about the trash truck. You're welcome. Adios, amigos. Bye, Veronica.
Bye.
Marie taught us all about the garbage collector's tool and how he uses his vehicle. But what tools do a construction worker use?
I have a toolbox.
Let's see what kind of tools are in this toolbox. In this toolbox, we found this. Do you know what this is called?
A hammer.
A hammer. So a construction worker uses a hammer. A hammer is used to hammer in nails when you're building. We also have
A tape measure.
a tape measure. This is used to measure things. Let's see how big our construction worker is. Our construction worker is 8 inches big. Wow, 8 inches long. We also have these. Do you know what these are called?
Pliers.
Pliers. Good job, Veronica. Pliers. Can you say pliers?
Pliers.
And the last tool we're going to show you is this. Do you know what this is called?
A screwdriver.
A screwdriver. So a construction worker can use all of these fancy tools to build. They might also have one of these. Do you know what this is called?
A drill.
A drill. Those are some awesome tools. Thanks for showing us those, Veronica.
You're welcome.
So we know where we find them, what they do, and how they do it. Let's do our first activity. Get a piece of paper, and we're going to draw these community helpers. So you can draw your construction worker and your garbage collector on one piece of paper or on two different pieces of paper. The first thing I'm going to draw is my garbage collector. And I'm going to put a hard hat on my garbage collector just in case he has to load heavy garbage and it falls. I'm also his body and legs. And if any time throughout this video you need to pause it, please do so you can do your activity. Do your best work, okay? I'm also going to draw a yellow vest on him. You probably can't see it too well. And I'm going to draw a trash can next to him. The next thing I'm going to draw is a construction worker. And the construction worker has to wear a hard hat to protect their head. This construction worker is a lady. Construction workers also have vehicles they use. This is called a bulldozer. At the top of our page, we're going to write thanks, so we could thank all of the construction workers and garbage collectors in our community. To write the word thanks, you write a T, H, A, N, K, S. Thanks. Now I'm going to hang this up in my window so that my garbage collector and construction workers in my neighborhood could see that I'm thankful for them. You should do the same. Thank you, Veronica. Our next activity is called Guess That Letter. And this activity, Miss Baloo draws a letter and you have to guess what letter I'm drawing before I finish. Are you ready? Okay, get your piece of paper. My first letter has one vertical line and one big curve connecting from top to bottom. Do you know what letter I'm drawing?
D.
That's right, a D. And the D says?
D.
Good job. D, D, D. The next letter I'm going to draw is just one curved line at the bottom. Are you ready? It goes down, curve, and back up.
A. U.
A U. And the U is always thinking. The next letter I'm going to draw has two bumps in it and it makes the sound. Do you know what letter I'm going to draw? Bump, bump. That's right! An M. Good job. D, A, M. The last letter I'm going to draw is one vertical line and one small bump. One small curve at the top. P. Good job. And the P says, let's sound out this word together. It's a big word, but you guys are big kids, so I know you can do it. Are you ready? D.
D.
A. M. D.
D.
A. M. Dump. Good job. Draw a line. And your columns. And you're going to leave this column blank, but you're going to bring down your U. Bring down your M. Bring down your P. Do it one more time. Bring down your U. Bring down your M. And bring down your P.
Like popping popcorn.
Exactly. Now your homework is to find two different letters to make new words. Once you do that, you'll find that you have rhyming words. For an example, what if I put a J there? Would you help me? J. And the J says J,
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 J. J,
J.
Jump. Jump,
Jump.
and dump. They rhyme.
Jump.
Exactly. Will you jump with us? Jump. I hope you have fun learning all about rhyming words during your homework activity. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thank your garbage collectors and your construction workers in your community. Don't forget, Miss Baloo loves you. Bye.
Bye.